Hello everyone, welcome to our channel QT TLM and Creations. Today we are going to learn and write 5th class Maths Magic Workbook Semester 1 Chapter Addition and Subtraction. You can check previous videos for 5th class Maths Magic worksheets in playlist of 5th class Maths in our channel. Now let's go to worksheet number 1. Subtopic addition. First one, add the following. క్రింది వాటిని కూడండి. హియర్ 17,590 plus 69,591. When we add these numbers, we get 87,181. Next, 78,503 plus 18,582. Then we get 97,085. Next, 57,093 plus 55,879, we get 1,12,972. Next, 25,804 plus 85,620, we get 1,11,424. Next, 82,271 plus 31,539, we get 1,13,810. Next, 61,800 plus 50,027, we get 1,11,827. Next, 91,447 plus 37,466, we get 1,28,913. Next, 76,921 plus 58,147, we get 1,35,068. Next, calculate the following. Here, 80,470 plus 6,052, then we get 86,522. Next, 34,239 plus 67,524, we get 1,01,763. Next question, solve the following word problems. Raghu has 2,36,500. Lakshmi has 1,508 more money than Raghu. Find the total amount with Raghu and Lakshmi. How much money Raghu has? Raghu has 2,36,500. How much more money Lakshmi have more than Raghu? 1,508 rupees. Now, how much money Lakshmi has? Here we have to add money that has Raghu, and Lakshmi has more money than Raghu, that equal to 1,508 rupees. Then we get 2,37,008 rupees. So now how much money Lakshmi has? 2,37,008 rupees. Next, which operation do you perform to find the answer? Here we should do addition to find the answer. Next, worksheet number 2, subtopic addition. First question, the population of a town is 98,691. If there are 50,257 adults in the town, how many children are there? Total population of the town, that equal to 98,691. Number of adults in the town, that equal to 50,257. Number of children in the town, that equal to, here we have to add total population of the town and number of adults in the town. So we get 1,48,948. Next question, there are 78,449 sacks of flour and 55,774 sacks of rice in a store. If the storekeeper gets a delivery of 48,557 sacks of pulses today, what is the total number of sacks in the store? Number of sacks of flour, that equal to 78,449. Number of sacks of rice, that equal to 55,774. Number of sacks of pulses, 48,557. Total number of sacks in the store, that equal to 1,82,780. Next question. There are 3,72,817 men, 3,54,628 women and 2,73,886 children in a city. What is the total population of the city? Number of men in the city, that equal to 3,72,817. Next, number of women in the city, that equal to 3,54,628. Number of children in the city, that equal to 2,73,886. Total population of the city, that equal to 10,01,331. Next question. One lorry carried 1,253 rice bags and another lorry carried 570 more rice bags than the first lorry. Find the total rice bags carried by the two lorries together. Number of rice bags carried by the first lorry, that equal to 1,253. The another lorry carried 570 more than rice bags than the first lorry. So, number of rice bags carried by the another lorry, that equal to 1,823. Total rice bags carried by the two lorries, that equal to 1,253. Number of bags carried by first lorry, that equal to 1,253 plus number of rice bags carried by the another lorry, that equal to 1,823. Then we get 3,076. Next question. How much is 95,732 greater than 82,365? Here we have to subtract 82,365 from 95,732. Then we get 13,367. సో ఇక్కడ 82,365 కంటే 95,732 అనేది 13,367 ఎక్కువ. Next worksheet number 3, subtopic subtraction. First one, subtract the following. Here subtract 5,487 from 12,495. Then we get 7,008. Next, subtract 45,265 from 58,397. Then we get 13,132. Next, subtract 12,512 from 85,998. Then we get 73,486. Next, subtract 45,267 from 52,131. We get 6,864. Next, subtract 55,867 from 84,264. Then we get 28,397. Next, subtract 85,067 from 92,145. Then we get 7,078. Next, subtract 99 from 1,11,111. Then we get 1,11,012. Next, subtract 125 from 8,212. Then we get 8,87. Next, subtract 705 from 3,02,101. Then we get 3,01,396. Next, subtract 875 from 2,05,161. Then we get 2,04,286. Next, subtract 9,060 from 1,40,503. Then we get 1,31,443. Next, subtract 9,265 from 1,42,563. Then we get 1,33,298. Next, subtract 1,28,347 from 5,12,642. Then we get 3,84,295. Next, subtract 4,04,875 from 8,24,952. Then we get 4,20,072. Next, subtract 1,48,307 from 5,02,602. Then we get 3,54,295. Next, do the following. A. 52,275 minus 25,254. Then we get 27,021. Next, D. Subtract 1,259 from 6,25,628. Then we get 24,369. Next, subtract 19,988 from 78,365. Then we get 58,377. Next, subtract 5,85,429 from 52,45,128. Then we get 46,59,699. Next, worksheet number 4, subtopic applications and subtraction. First question, Venkat earns 20,150 rupees in a month. His total monthly expenditure is 11,975. How much does he save in that month? What information is given in the problem? Earnings and expenditure of Venkat in a month. What is to be found in the problem? Saving amount of Venkat in that month. Next, which process do you follow to solve the problem? We should do subtraction to solve the problem. Next, Venkat earns 20,150 rupees in a month. His total monthly expenditure is 11,975 rupees. How much does he saves in that month? How much amount Venkat earns in a month? That equal to 20,150 rupees. How much is his expenditure in that month? That is 11,975 rupees. What will you do to calculate his savings in that month? We will do subtraction to calculate his savings in that month. Next, third question. Earning of Venkat in that month, that equal to 20,150 rupees. Expenditure of Venkat in that month, that equal to 11,975 rupees. Savings of Venkat in that month. Here we have to subtract 11,975 from 20,150. Then we get 8,175 rupees. Next, worksheet number 5, subtopic applications and subtraction. First question, in an examination, 75,974 students passed. If the number of failed students is 35,273, find the total number of students who appear for the examination. Number of students passed, that equal to 75,974. Number of students failed, that equal to 35,273. So, number of students passed for the exam, that equal to 1,11,247. Next question. The sum of two numbers is 70,350. If one of them is 28,682, find the other. The sum of two numbers, that equal to 70,350. One of the number, that equal to 28,682. The another number is, when we subtract 28,682 from 70,350, we get 41,668. Next question. Shankar cultivated 1 acre of field. His expenditure is 22,000. Sambaya cultivated 1 acre of field in organic way. His expenditure is 10,500. What is the difference between two expenditures? Expenditure of Shankar, that equal to 22,000. Expenditure of Sambaya, that equal to 10,500. So difference of both expenditure. Then we have to subtract the expenditure of Sambaya from expenditure of Shankar. Then we get 11,500. Next question. A farmer spent 4,500 rupees on a gobar gas plant. He got 2,900 rupees in the form of loan from bank. How much did he spend from his pocket? Total amount spent for gobar gas, that equal to 4,500. Amount of loan from bank, that equal to 2,900 rupees. So farmer spending amount from his pocket, that equal to, here we have to subtract 2,900 from 4,500. Then we get 1,600 rupees. Next question. There are 63,675 bags of rice and wheat together in the grain stock. The wheat bags are counted as 34,768. Find the number of rice bags. Total number of bags of rice and wheat that equal to 63,675. Number of wheat bags that equal to 34,768. So number of rice bags in the grain stock that equal to, when we subtract number of wheat bags 34,768 from number of bags of rice and wheat 63,675, then we get 28,907 bags. Next, worksheet number 6, subtopic properties of addition. First question. Find the sum of 34,685 and 26,366 and also find the sum of 26,366 and 34,685. What do you conclude? When we add these numbers, we get 61,051. Here also 61,051. Here, if we change the order of these numbers, the result is same. అంటే ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చిన సంఖ్యల యొక్క క్రమం మారినప్పటికీ ఫలితంలో ఎటువంటి మార్పు లేదు. సో ఇక్కడ కూడా సంఖ్యల యొక్క క్రమం మారినప్పటికీ ఫలితంలో ఎటువంటి మార్పు లేదు. ఇది సంకలన ధర్మాలలో ఇది ఒకటి, కూడిక ధర్మాలలో ఇది కూడా ఒకటి. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. ఫైండ్ ద సమ్ ఆఫ్ 47,632 0 and 0 47,632. What do you conclude? Let us add 47,632 plus 0. We get 47,632 and add 0 plus 47,632. Then also we get 47,632. If we add a number to 0, we get the number itself. Thus 47,632 plus 0 that equal to 0 plus 47,632. We get same result, that is 47,632. It is one of the property of addition. Next, A. 7,83,604 plus 38,465. That equal to, here. So here we have to write 38,465. So both are equal. Next, here. So here we have to write 72,541 and here we have to write 52,014. Next, see. Next, see 6,73,804 plus 0. Here we have to write 0. Here 6,73,804. 21,543 plus 0, then we get 21,543. Next, E. 20,768 plus 15,116. That equal to, here a number and we have to write here we have to write this number 20,768. Remaining worksheets will continue in another video. Until then, take care of you. Thank you. Bye bye.